Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tayo, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I make my banga soup without the local spices. I already started cooking before I decided to film it, so I've already got my meat on the fire, which has been cooking for about 30 minutes. So let's take it from there now. I added the turkey after, so I don't want it to be too soft, so I'm going to give it another 5 minutes to cook, and then I'm going to add all my ingredients. So here I've got some crayfish, some scent leaves, dry pepper, chicken cube. I've got the Banga palm nut concentrate. So it's been cooking for another 5 minutes now. So I'm going to add my banga soup, the palm concentrate. And this is what it looks like. First of all, I'm going to add my crayfish. I'm going to add my banga sauce. Don't know, this might be too much, so I'll see. Yes, it's going to be too much for this portion, so I'm going to freeze the rest. I don't know if you can freeze it, but it's going to be too much if I use everything. So I'm using about 2/3. Using about 2/3, and I'll just stir it. Leave it to stir for a few minutes. I'm going to add some more cubes. I've already added a little bit to the meat, but I'm just going to add a little bit more. Not up to a cube. And then I'm going to let it boil. The oil comes to the top, and then I'll add my scent leaves, and that will be the last part. It's been cooking for about 5 more minutes. Now I'm going to add my scent leaves. So this banga soup doesn't have the normal banga spices, which I don't have, but it still turns out well. It still ends up being nice, very nice. So if you don't have the scent leaves, if you don't have all the spices, then you can still make this soup. It's so easy to make. All you need to do is just add everything. You add the palm concentrate after you've cooked the meat and fish. I'm not using fresh fish, I'm using dry fish, that's stockfish and crayfish, and I've also got tripe and turkey. So I'm just going to give it another 5 minutes, and then it's going to be ready. So guys, this is the banga soup. This is really delicious. It didn't take me very long to prepare this, and it's not difficult at all. It's easier than using the palm kernel when you have to grind and do all the sieving. You already have it prepared in the tin anyway, so it just makes it so easy, and it's easy to put together. So guys, yeah, so I can have this with pounded yam, with gari, eba, yam, but I'm going to have it with pounded yam. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Bye guys.